Yeah, today with us it's Amuda. Amuda, hi ಹೇಳಿ.
Hi.
Yeah, today she is teaching us. Amuda, ಏನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Kaima Bonda Sar.
Keema bonda sar.
Kaima.
Ha, means we call it keema, they call it kaima.
Ah.
So it is mutton keema they are using for the recipe. Now she is starting. So it's our ingredients here. Ha, Amuda.
Kaima.
ಹೇಳಿ
Kaima.
ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Kaima andi.
Ha, this is keema, washed and squeezed.
Ah.
Squeezed one, and in that she has to put some masalas for grinding, which is
Garlic.
garlic, ginger, coriander and tomato. First she is putting with garlic. It's almost around 10 cloves of garlic, 2 or 1 big stem of ginger,
Ginger.
and little coriander, as you can see.
First. 1 minute.
Okay.
Tomato next.
Okay, afterwards tomato. Now first garlic and ginger, and after that
Chili powder.
chili powder
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay,
Dhania powder 1 teaspoon.
dhania powder 1 teaspoon.
Namak thoda.
Okay, salt according to taste, but it's less because we have to put in a curry also, so not exactly full, half of the quantity what you have to put total. Yeah, now she is grinding it. She has grinded it almost half. Okay. Now she is taking out the keema in a plate.
Aunty, ఇది grinding.
Okay, this again she has to grind. What is say mutton masala?
Mutton masala.
It is
Coconut.
coconut. It is for curry. So for bonda, keema is different. This is for curry. She has put coconut first, almost around half coconut, and then
Thoda garlic.
she is putting garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. Yeah. Little ginger, almost 1 medium-sized ginger piece. Yeah.
Check.
And-
Garam masala powder.
She has one powder. It is
Teaspoon.
cinnamon and clove powder, mixed clove powder. So they call it dharmasthala powder too. And now she is putting half of the coriander what she has. Yeah. Break little so it is easy for grinding. Otherwise, sometimes our greens.
Dhania
Yes.
aunty. Dhania.
Dhania. Okay, it's a coriander leaves. Yes. Okay. Now in that she is mixing little water because she wanna make a more light paste.
1 minute.
Yeah. So today we are learning mutton, keema, bonda, sar. Yeah, she has come now. She had just gone out. So yeah, again she is just putting little more water to make it more. after grinding all this, she is putting tomato. Yeah.
ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಂಟಿ. ಸಾರು ಸಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಕೊಂಡು.
Hello, auntie.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ.
Now, as we can see, this paste is almost ready, and it is supposed to be very fine paste. All the spices mixed in it. And now let's see what Amuda is doing. Yeah, she has taken out the vessel. It's a pan.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಬಾಟಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Now she is taking oil. She has put oil in the pan and just heating it up and waiting what to do next. She is putting onion in the oil. Grind it nicely. At least transparent color it should come. Okay, the grinded masala which she did it, she is putting in a onion. And little water to clean the jar, plus not to waste any of the spices. And little more water to loosen the curry, so at least it will boil nicely and it will flavor more better.
And 1 minute. Aunty, sambar powder.
Okay.
1 teaspoon. Okay.
Okay. Now 1 teaspoon of sambar powder
Namak 1 teaspoon.
and half of the salt which is left. Half she put in our mutton keema and half of the salt what is left, according to taste, completely according to taste, she is putting it here. Now
ಥೋಡಾ ಇದಂಟಿ
what is this?
ನಮಕ್. ಇದು ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅರಿಶಿನ ಪುಡಿ.
Okay, turmeric powder.
Turmeric.
Yeah, little turmeric powder is going there.
ಇನ್ನ ಥೋಡಾ వాటర్
Okay, so she is saying this curry has to be little liquidy. So liquid has to be little more in this. So she is putting little more water here. Yeah. So now almost curry has to take a time to just get boiled and just thicken itself. By the time I think she is gonna make bondas. Let's see how she makes it. Yeah, Amuda?
యా
Haan, bonda ke.
1 minute. నాకు సాల్ట్
Hmm?
సాల్ట్ సపరేట్ ఇది వేడండి ఇది తెగిಬೇಡ ನಾನು ಬೋಂಡ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ.
Okay, she has taken some curry out. So no idea why, maybe for herself or maybe for someone who doesn't eat mutton. But let's see. Okay, now with the paste she has made with the mutton, she is making balls of it. Yeah, and just she is putting in a curry. Oh, seems to be easy. Great recipe. I feel so. I don't know. Yeah, she's just making balls out of it without mixing any binding to it. Amuda, how much time for cooking?
హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అంటే
Half an hour. Okay, after putting these balls, you have to cover the pan and let it simmer for half an hour. Because anyways it's mutton, it takes time to cook and for taste and flavor. So after putting this, you need to let it simmer for half an hour. It's done. Amuda, now finish or in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಕವರ್.
Okay, cover ಮಾಡಿ. Now just cover it, let it simmer for half an hour, and after half an hour, once it's ready, the little coriander which you left in between, you can just garnish it with it and eat it with rice, parathas, chapati, whatever you like. Now, Amuda, thank you, madam. Thanks a lot, Amuda.